ओके वेस्टवर्ड जब हम स्टडी टेबल वगैरह यूज कर सकते हैं जैसे चिल्ड्रंस बेडरूम वगैरह वी कैन ऐड अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीनरी एंड ऑल दैट which also ventilation वगैरह which is preferable in north and northeast say for example. So this also will give a very what do you call clarity, next bright light, steady purpose के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. Couple of yeah, so that's what I already discussed with you. Fire element is also called as Agni Mula, where we are having the kitchen over there, preferable and all that in the southeast direction. Okay, so east direction, so we have we prefer the living room, sitting areas and all that in the east direction. Okay, so north direction को याद है तो जो मैं high element of the house where it is it is in the southwest, and the northeast, north and east direction can be the lower points. याद है ना, like a couple of minutes before I was telling about heaviest high points and light points and all that, open points and all that. North direction is also why we try to keep openings in the north direction. We call it as Kubera Mula, which is the point of wealth and prosperity in our life. Northeast direction is blessings to get relief from all the miseries and all that. So which is actually like sun god, and also the Kubera, this one which gives us, takes away all the illnesses and gives us a lot of prosperity, good health and all that. Okay, so we talked about sleeping direction as well. So these are some of the points we talked about the sleeping direction. South can keep our head in the south, so it is called the god of death or Yama, which actually he protects us from different evil forces and all that. So generally, so we talked about never sleep in the north direction. East direction पर हम सर रख सकते हैं, so which gives us sharp mind. South direction में भी हम सर रख सकते हैं, which is a healthy direction. Never sleep in the north. Some people also prefer that not to sleep in the west direction. They consider it as energy draining. समझ में आ रहा है? Any doubts? So couple of more ideas or whatever according to Vastu. So kids room कहाँ पर होना चाहिए? So west direction is the direction for Lord Varun. His blessings are in the form of rain, a source of water to bring prosperity to life. So generally यहाँ पर हमारा direction of different rooms is also given, like where can we prefer. So west, south west में हम दे सकते हैं kids room. Boys room can be given in the east and north east direction. North में हम दे सकते हैं, north west में दे सकते हैं girls room. Which is a place to avoid is the south west to south east. यहाँ पर we try to avoid the kids room. ठीक है? Okay. So couple of more things which we can talk about. There is something called Nairuti, which is a southwest direction, where we have to what do you call the heaviness, where we direct the bedroom, master bedroom over there. So some of the tips over here is that main entrance, generally we can also give the main entrance in the southeast, if not a north and northeast. That's one more. Living room and puja room is preferred in the northeast, then kitchen in the southeast, master bedroom in the southwest direction, then children and guest room can be in the northwest direction. Staircase southern corner, of course west corner as well. So these are a couple of tips, some more tips here. Then here we can see about the same thing. Where do we prefer? Southwest ideal for master bedroom, then southeast ideal for study room. So but again see, I mean there are many options and ideas, and it has to be combined with our plot area and the apartment size. West can be ideal for kids bedroom, and east can be ideal for the guest bedroom. Couple of depending on the god, this one. So we have the directions, and yeah, so how do we leave maximum space and all that in the plotting and all that. Now can you see this in the west side and the south side compared to north and the eastern side? We are leaving less space. Generally हम कम स्पेस छोड़ते हैं. नॉर्थ और ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में हम ज्यादा स्पेस छोड़ते हैं, जैसे पार्किंग वगैरह के लिए स्पेस छोड़, और ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में ज्यादा स्पेस छोड़ना चाहिए. वेस्ट एंड साउथ में कम स्पेस छोड़ना चाहिए, बिकॉज वेस्ट वी ऑलवेज कंसिडर इट फॉर हेवी. अगर ज्यादा स्पेस हम छोड़ेंगे तो इट बिकम्स लाइट वेट. तो अगर ज्यादा स्पेस हम यूज करते हैं it becomes heavy. So west south, the one more reason is because north and direction sun rises in the east, sun rays fall like this. So that's one reason why we are having eastern side and northern side openings more, or we leave more space here. West side or south side साइड इस कम है बिकॉज सन सेट्स एंड यहाँ पर भारी भी होना चाहिए, साउथ और वेस्ट में भारी होना चाहिए, so that's one reason this is west and south.